Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about fixing if you're having an issue with your Lenovo Wi-Fi not working properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search icon or the start menu. Type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the three horizontal lines up at the top next to settings and select the network and internet tile. On the right side, you want to go down and select advanced network settings. Go ahead and left click on that. And then on the right side, underneath more settings, select network reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. Go ahead and select that. And then this will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Go ahead and select the Reset Now button. You will need to have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby because once you select yes, you will need to restart your computer within 5 minutes, and then once your computer turns back on, in order to gain access to the internet, you will need to enter back in those credentials. So go ahead and select yes here. And now we're going to select close. Close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that. You may need to enter in your credentials, like I said, for the Wi-Fi, but that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.